What's up, guys? Hammer from Kel-Tec here. We're at SHOT 2026 in Vegas. I'm going to talk to you about the newly updated SUB2000 CQB. We released this carbine a couple years ago, made a big splash in the industry, but back then you're still paying for tax stamps. Now you aren't, so time to refresh this, time for you guys to take a new look at it. So with the CQB, you have an integrally suppressed SUB2000. Still takes the Glock mags like you know and love, but now you have a 4 1/4 inch barrel in here and baffles stacked to the heaven all the way at the front. It's one of the quietest carbines that I've ever shot in 9mm. One of the best features about the SUB2000 series, though, most people do know it, but if not, I'll show you right now, is you can take your thumb, push right down on the trigger action, you can see it breaks the barrel free, and you can rotate to the right or the left. There's a cutout right here on the handguard that's going to lock into this tab that's on the stock right there. So it'll lock in there, you can pull up to release, swings right back open, and just snaps right back together. So like I said, chambered in 9mm, takes Glock magazines, high capacity ready, high capacity fun, or you could just use your regular standard 17s or whatnot. But one of the cool things we've done with updating the CQB is made the CQB Defender. So now, straight from Kel-Tec, it'll be available with the Enforce WML Light, the Vortex green dot, the Magpul 27-round stick mags, our grip extension, and the Missouri tactical butt pad, all on there. And one of the coolest things is now, starting this week with SHOT Show, we've released KelTec Direct. So now you can buy any firearm we make straight off our website.
That's awesome. So on the loaded model here, what's the retail on that?
$12.99.
Wow.
So not bad for a fully kitted out, ready to go. You have your complete suppressed carbine, light mounted, dot mounted, big sticks, butt pad, ready to go. So
yep, just all you need is ammo.
Point and click, put in your FFL, and it'll ship right to it. So
that's brilliant. Thanks, Hammer. Appreciate it.
So also new at the show, if you guys are familiar with our PR-57, which is the first pistol in our PR series, came out. PR-57 signifies the 5.7 ammo that it's chambered in, but just released this week is the new PR-3AT.
Ooh.
So same kind of style pistol as the PR. It is the top-loaded stripper clip magazine. So actually, I shouldn't say magazine, it's an internal magazine. There's no actual detachable mag anymore. It is stripper clip fed. So when you pull back, locks to the rear. This is your 7-round stripper clip. Also comes in a 10-round if you want. You get 13 plus 1 in the standard, or you could put the short grip on like this and do the 10 plus 1. So a lot of firepower in such a small package, but these just roll and lock in. Take your plunger, would push down just like that if there's ammo in it, and like that, good to go. These are going to come in certain optic slides too. So we'll have a Viridian RFX1 micro dot that can go on there. We're going to do RMSC optics plates, so any of those patterns you might want, or as you can see, the standard iron sights. They're going to come in different price points in all the different colors, from $399 on the regular or up to $589, and that's going to be your pistol with the optic, with 4 stripper clips, with the case, with the holster, or the optional belt clip if you want. And like I said, as we release these this week, already available on our website. So they're shipping now, brand new, super awesome, great to carry. And I must say, as a plus size firearms model, these are one of the most comfortable firearms I've ever carried. With the rounded slide, the lightweight, low profile, this thing is a dream to carry. So check us out, guys.
I love how small that is. How's it fit in the hand here?
Awesome. Like I said, that's the short model. We also have an extended model. So
I like how that feels. It really feels comfortable in the hand. That's brilliant. Good price, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Thanks for checking us out.